This time on building terminology, the joist. So when we're talking about a joist in relation to floors, it is one of a series of parallel beams spaced at regular intervals and spanning between the walls, and the flooring is fixed directly to the joists. In single-story construction, floor joists are usually supported by the bearer, as you can see on the left-hand side there, and in upper floors, the floor joist usually doubles as a ceiling joist, and you can sort of see that on the right-hand side of that drawing. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook.